Hello, welcome back to House Build Part 11. You can see we have all the trusses installed at this point. So we'll just walk around, take a look. Walking into the great room from the laundry area. You can see this is where the cathedral part of the ceiling will be. Back over here, the kitchen area, and then we go outside, take a look. Still have to put some house wrap on and finish a few little pieces over the master bedroom. So we're going to start putting the sheeting on the roof because we have a shingle delivery coming real soon. So we need to get the sheeting up there, and then we're going to start putting the ice guard on. So we'll just work our way over with the roof. And you can see from the inside how we're progressing. And we'll take a look outside. Got a lot of the roof done at this point. Got a few pieces left to do in the back. But we need to get that done because, like I said, we have the shingles scheduled for delivery. Got a few more pieces to finish over the master bedroom in the back here. And then we can put some more sheeting over top here in the garage area. So we're moving along pretty good. Starting to put some ice guard on. We want to put that up before the shingles are delivered. Have a few more pieces of sheeting to put down over top of the deck. And come back the next day and we have a layer of snow on top of the roof. So we're going to wait this out and see if it melts because we have the shingles coming and they need to be delivered to the rooftop. You can see it's got a nice layer of snow and ice on top. They are calling for a little warmer weather, so we'll get up there and broom that snow off and hopefully it'll melt down for our shingle delivery. So shingle delivery is here today. We were able to get up there and broom off the snow, and it melted the rest of the ice down. Got warm enough so that we could clear the roof off. So we've got a rooftop delivery of all of our shingles that we need. All he's going to do is take it up there and we'll have to offload it by hand, but it's much easier than carrying it up the ladder. So we'll just let him take that up there with his crane. And he'll put it in various spots and we'll spread the shingles out and unload them along the ridge. See, we have a few unloaded here. And we've got another pallet of shingles coming up. First pallet's unloaded. Second pallet, we're going to unload some of those shingles above the garage area. Try to spread them out so when we go to do the roofing, there's shingles available all the way across the roof. So we've got all the shingles unloaded. Now we need to put some more ice guard on. We'll let some of this snow melt and we'll take a look on the inside. We still have to put some more sheeting down along the back here. All the trusses are up. And we're in the bedroom, the master bedroom, walking out to the great area now. This is the great area, which will have the kitchen towards the rear of the house. Walking towards the main bathroom. This will be the front bedroom. Then we walk out of the front bedroom, and this will be the main bathroom right here. And then we go to the rear bedroom of a 3-bedroom house. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Check back with us for episode 12 of House Build. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.